There's nothing like the excitement of getting a new computer. That fresh out of the box experience is hard to beat until you realize all my stuff's on the old computer. How am I going to get it over from the old machine to the new one? Well, if both computers are running Windows operating systems, Windows Easy Transfer will help. Windows Easy Transfer can move files and settings from your account on your old computer over to your new computer. But in order to run the transfer process efficiently, you need to make sure you have access to an account with administrator privileges on both computers. To make sure your account has the right privileges, go to Control Panel, User Accounts, and Family Safety, then User Accounts. The account that appears should be your user account. If it says Standard User under the account name, you'll need to change accounts to one that has administrator rights. Another requirement for the process is some place to share the files. With Easy Transfer, you can either use an Easy Transfer cable, a network that has both computers on it, or an external hard disk or USB flash drive. Today, we'll be using a flash drive.
After you have the flash drive connected to the old computer, click Start and type Windows Easy Transfer in the search bar. It should appear near the top under Programs. The first screen will tell you what the program can transfer. Click the Next button. In the second screen, you must select how you plan to move the files. We are using the external hard disk or USB flash drive. Next, select This is my old computer. After clicking this, Windows will check to see what can be transferred from each user account on the computer. This can take a while, depending on how much data is on your computer. After the calculations are finished, you can see the different accounts that have transferable items. If an account on the old computer will not be used on the new computer, click the checkbox to uncheck it. This will save time by not having as many files to transfer to the new computer. In this screen, you can also check to see what will be transferred by clicking Customize below the user account. When you have your options selected, click Next. If you are worried about others getting into your Easy Transfer files, you can set a password here. If you set a password though, remember it because you will need it to get the files onto your new computer. After the password is set, choose a place to save your Easy Transfer file. You'll need to navigate to the USB drive and save it where you'll remember it. After clicking the Save button, the files will take a minute to save to that location. After clicking Next, your file transfer will be complete. The window will show the name of the transfer file and the location where the file is saved. Clicking Next again will let you know that Windows Easy Transfer is finished on this computer, and you can close the window.
To transfer the account to the new computer, start the computer and log on to an account that has administrative privileges. Make sure to connect the flash drive to the computer, then search for Windows Easy Transfer in the search bar and select it. The first window will show the same information about what can be transferred with Easy Transfer. It should look about the same as before. Next, it will ask you what media type the file is saved on. Select USB or flash drive. Then click Yes, and in the box that opens up, navigate to where you stored the file on the flash drive. Select the file, then click Open. Once the file is opened, you should be able to select what users you want to transfer to this computer. Just like the first time, you can click on a checkbox to select what users or specific parts of the account you want to transfer. Since we've already selected everything we want, we'll just go ahead and click Transfer. It might take a few minutes for everything to transfer to the new computer. After the transfer is complete, you'll have the option to see what transferred, which will show a report on how many users and documents were transferred. It also shows if system settings were transferred. The other option on the Easy Transfer window is the App Report. This will list what programs were on the old computer. If the program is installed on the new computer, the words already installed will appear by the program name. Both the transfer report and the app report will be available in Windows Easy Transfer reports once the transfer is complete. There you have it. The easier way to transfer files and settings from one Windows computer to another. Thanks for watching.